PlayBoy magazine. No, I'm not gonna keep it in my house. I don't want any magazine that have a woman na bilangka over there. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I am looking for my I'm looking for my key. It's not here. The house key. I don't have it here. Oh well. Yeah, I don't have it in my purse. That's a problem. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. It's May 17 or 18, I think. Yeah, what a sad thing. How come I forgot my key over there? And morning, Rox. Morning. Morning, Roxy Rock. Good morning, baby. Good morning. No bite is that mouth is always open. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Hi, Mister. Good morning to all of you. To both of you. I found it, guys, in my laptop bag. It's just in here in the inside. So, inside rocks. I started doing my packing stuff. And where's my dogs? They're in the living room. I left them in here. I left them in here. In here. So, packing stuff. And I did my laundry. And also, this is the smallest one. We got only 1, 2, 3, 7. Seven boxes. So anyway, guys, I am going to do, guys. I'm going to say hi to my little girl. Hi, little girl. How are you, little girl? Not you, Misty. You are not little. You're a little monkey. You're not a girl. You're a monkey. Monkey girl. Look, she walked away. That's Dimples all the freaking time. She just walked away. She doesn't want to be bothered. Now she hide. Tape, 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 tape. Where's the tape? It's right here. And I need this tape and the marker. You know, how do we call this in the Philippines? This marker. We called it is this is a permanent marker. They call it marker here. We called it in the Philippines, guys. We have some name in this. We make a name. Maybe because of the brand. I don't know. I need a scissor also. Seesaw. I need a seesaw. Let me turn the light on, guys, that I can show you what I found in this mess. It's amazing. Oh, the light is on and then I turn it off. Oh shucks, I'm so tired. I found this old TV. This is garbage. Holy cow. Shit. Did you see this TV? It's crazy. They hold there. That's like you carry TV with antenna and with a tuning thing here. It says here solid state. Oh my god. And there is also here I found. Look what I found. But we keep this one because you know what? It's camera. And it's an old Canon camera. This camera. I think this is yeah, it's a film thing. Let me try to open it. If I can open it. Look, yeah, it's a film. So this one is you know, and I not just that. So that's here. Look at this camera. It reminds me of when I was in the Philippines in the forest. Every time there's a graduation party, you hire a cameraman, a photographer. Look. I that's it's so weird. This camera is what camera? Canon. It's still Canon. Look, Canon dirty. Canon, and it's very dusty. Canon. Eye reduction, camera A, motor drive. What kind of camera is this? This is the flash thing. Like you can just maneuver it. Like you can just position it. And this is rechargeable. There is a wire connected to the camera. This thing. And I don't know what number it is. Wow, this is so big, guys. Not just that, I found a lot of stuff. And yeah, this is the mess I made. I will keep that. I will keep that, and I think, but I think I'm going to change the center. I will try to get rid of that. Let's see if I can get rid of it in the back. Oh no, you can't. This is the, yeah, I'm not gonna throw that out because I can display that in the bathroom. Hang it in the bathroom, and there is a signature under there, guys. Look, you see a signature right here. There's a signature, Dorothy A. Riley something. This is a clothing that 100 years never opened in the bin. I opened it, and that's need to be like a donation. Went to the laundry, carry a lot of laundries. I found a lot of winter stuff that no one can fit. It's small. It's small size and have a tag in it. So no one is small size here. So what I did is wash it. I did wash. And I keep it for next year for me because they're throwing out, especially my mother-in-law, she's throwing out a lot of, you know, winter stuff that's big or too small for her. I collect that because there's still a nice, very nice material there. Look, I'm gonna have my leftover. The salmon is, you know, fall apart and it doesn't matter. Vegetables, the soup is so good with rice. My mother-in-law said it's spicy. It's nothing spicy about it. Maybe she eats some ginger. I put ginger though. So that's it for today, guys. I'm Mania now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at. Are you gonna walk away? Oh, God, every time I go talk, you know, do something, she's just going to walk away. She's just going to walk away. And I found also really not nice picture. I found stuff like, I will show you later. I found some magazine, the PlayBoy magazine. That's very, very old. Well, I think when my husband and his brother, they're young, they're collecting those things, you know. And I asked my husband, and he said it's not his, it's his brother. Who knows, you know, maybe he doesn't just want, I don't know why. Or maybe it's really from his brother and collect it. And he said they will keep it. No, I'm not gonna keep it in my house. I don't want any magazine that have a woman na bilangka over there. They're like bilangka, like, you know, bilangkad. Like open leg wide thing, boom, boom, boom. So I will show you later, but I'm not gonna show you the whole thing. It's just, you know, the name of it. It's an old magazine. You can tell it's just really old. And it's like, I think they have like 40, 30 magazines in there. It's so heavy, the box. I will put already in there that they're ready to go out next week. And so bad that they're collecting that for what? They said this might be, you know, collectibles, or maybe it's not collectibles. It doesn't say collectibles. This is like maybe a few years from now, how many years from now, you know, it's like worth money. Hi guys, I found another camera with this bag. This is the bag of the camera. It's not Canon. It's Weston. I never heard of this camera before. And Weston optical lens, WX7. This is a weird camera. You can't take this off. This is really the case. It's like a housing, but you can't take this off. Look. Yeah, and there's another one over here. It's Kodak Hokey camera. This is so weird. And this is the dial thing, whatever it is. Yeah, it's so freaking weird. It's already 5:30. I'm just gonna make some steak. Steak again. I'm going to grill it, not fry it. It's different. It's nice when it's grilled, really. It's so different. So now this is, I've been looking for this bag, Tiffany, because somebody gave this to us for our wedding gifts and everything, different kind of gifts under there. So yeah, and this one. So yeah, found it. Shout out to Joanna Costa. Hi Joanne from Isabela. Thanks for watching my video. Hi guys, I'm back. It's 8 o'clock, and yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog now. And I'm done with my laundry. Can you see me over there? That's yes, yes, yes. You can see me. Tickle, 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 tickle. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really do appreciate all of you guys comments my vlog, and you guys watch my videos. And please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you are new in my channel, yes, guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate all your time. I appreciate all your time, guys. Thank you. Bye. Good night, guys.